नमस्कार। इस योग सत्र में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। Am I audible? Please let me know. Please comment write in the comment box. Please let me know that whether I am audible, visible. Thank you. So इस सत्र में आपका हार्दिक अभिनंदन है। आपके भीतर विराजमान ज्योति को मैं कोटि कोटि नमन करता हूँ। And yoga indeed is a science of right living. It is such a process which integrates our body, mind, spirit, every aspect of our existence. So एक स्टोरी से मैं शुरू करूँगा। थैंक यू मैम। कि एक टीचर और मास्टर में व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ टीचर एंड अ मास्टर। एक बार भगवान बुद्ध अपने ध्यान में बैठे थे, तो ध्यान सभा चल रही थी, बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्क्स ध्यान कर रहे थे बहुत सारे। तो एक ग्रीक फ़िलासफ़र आता है जिसने कि लॉजिक से, तर्क से पूरे विश्व को जीत लिया है। वो आके बुद्ध को ललकारता है कि आप अगर मेरे प्रश्नों के उत्तर देंगे तो मैं आपको ज्ञानी मानूंगा। तो बुद्ध ने धीमे से आंखें खोली और उन्हें देखा, मुस्कुराए। तो उनका प्रश्न सुनकर, उस ग्रीक फिलोसोफर का प्रश्न सुनकर बगल में बैठे जो चीफ डिसाइपल थे बुद्ध के, वो भी मुस्कुराए। महाकश्यप उनका नाम था, तो वो भी मुस्कुराए। द ग्रीक फिलोसोफर फेल्ट वेरी ऑफेंडेड कि ये मैंने कुछ ऐसा जोक तो क्रैक किया नहीं भाई, ये क्यों मुस्कुराए हैं। तो उन्होंने उनसे पूछा कि आप किस वजह से मुस्कुराए। तो कहते हैं कुछ साल पहले यही प्रश्न जो आपके मन में है, जो आपने अभी पूछे भी नहीं है, मुझे मालूम है आपके क्या प्रश्न है, तो यही प्रश्न मैं लेके आया था। और भगवान बुद्ध ने मुझसे अनुरोध किया था कि आप सिर्फ मेरे बगल में सिर्फ बैठें, चुपचाप बैठें और देखें, चुपचाप बैठें और देखें। धीरे धीरे हर प्रश्न का उत्तर जो है आपको मिल जाएगा, क्योंकि अगर प्रश्न आपका है तो उत्तर भी आपको भीतर से ही खोजना होगा। तो ये खोज की यात्रा का नाम ही योग है, जो कि हमें भीतर से जोड़ता है। अगर हम भीतर से जुड़े रहेंगे तो कुछ भी करेंगे, कॉन्शियस होकर करेंगे, अवेयर होकर करेंगे, तो कुछ भी गलत होने की संभावना ही नहीं है। बिल्कुल पीसफुल रहेंगे और हष्ट पुष्ट रहेंगे, बुद्धि भी कुशाग्र होगी, शरीर भी जो है आपका सुगठित रहेगा। तो क्या क्या लाभ हैं इसके मैं बयान नहीं कर सकता लफ्ज़ों में, बिकॉज आई एम ए प्रैक्टिशनर और कुछ सालों से मैं जुड़ा हूँ योग से, इसने मुझे बहुत कुछ दिया है। तो आज हम योगा प्रोटोकॉल का अभ्यास करने जा रहे हैं, जो कि हम इंटरनेशनल योगा डे 21 जून को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, उसकी कुछ प्रेपरेशन है। और मैं बहुत सौभाग्यशाली हूँ कि इतने लोग मेरे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं। थैंक यू सो मच। और हम पे विश्वास जता रहे हैं, हमारे विद्यालय पे विश्वास जता रहे हैं और हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं। तो मैं चाहूँगा कि आप इसको एक्सपीरियंस करें, सिर्फ मेरे शब्दों को सुने ही नहीं, उनको एक्सपीरियंस करें। उनसे एक्सपीरियंस करके जो आप फर्स्ट हैंड नॉलेज लेंगे, उसी से आपका उद्धार होगा। महज सुनने से उद्धार आपका नहीं होने वाला। तो कोशिश करें कि मैट लेकर बैठे और मेरे साथ योग का अभ्यास करें। तो सबसे पहले शुरू करने से पूर्व हम प्रार्थना करेंगे। प्रार्थना ऐसी वाइब्रेशंस क्रिएट करती है जिससे कि हमारा एटमॉस्फेयर जो है वो बहुत ही कंड्यूसिव हो जाता है लर्निंग के लिए, साइलेंस के लिए, ताकि हमारा इंटेलेक्ट जो हमें इट कीप्स ऑन वेंडरिंग हियर एंड देयर। माइंड जो है वैसे तो हमारा ड्राइवर है ये, लेकिन ये बहुत तंग करता है हमें, क्योंकि ये विभाजित रहता है, हमें कभी इधर खींचता है, कभी इधर खींचता है। स्ट्रेच, इट कीप्स ऑन स्ट्रेचिंग यू unnecessarily, keeps on oscillating from one extreme to the another। और जब तक ये इक्विलिब्रियम में नहीं आता, आप स्थिरता नहीं महसूस करते। तो इसको स्थिर कैसे किया जा सकता है, योग पद्धति ने हमें ये बताया है। तो सबसे पहले नमस्कार कर बैठ जाएं, आंखें कोमलता से बंद कर लें, श्वास का ध्यान कर लें। और श्वास को गहरा जाने दें, शरीर बिल्कुल स्थिर हो जाने दें, एक चट्टान की तरह स्थिर हो जाएं, हिलजुल बिल्कुल बंद हो जाए और श्वास को अपने आप भीतर गहरा चलने दें। जैसे ही आप स्थिर हो जाते हैं वैसे ही स्वाभाविक ही आपकी श्वास जो है वो गहरी हो जाती है। तो आपको कुछ करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, सिर्फ आप अपनी स्थिरता पर ध्यान दें। श्वास पर ध्यान दें, शारीरिक स्थिरता पर ध्यान दें। मेंटली अपने आप को कह दें स्टैच्यू, और स्टैच्यू बन जाए। तो आप एक दृष्टा हैं, एक ज्योति हैं। आप सब कुछ देख सकते हैं, अपने भीतर चल रहे कोलाहल को देख सकते हैं, भीतर जो आनंद झर रहा है उसको देख सकते हैं। सब कुछ देखने वाले हैं आप। पूरे शरीर को स्कैन करें, जैसे कि आप मिरर में अपना रिफ्लेक्शन देखते हैं, वैसे बंद आंखों से अपने शरीर को स्थिर देखें। और स्थिरता कैसी होती है, कैसा महसूस करती है स्थिरता, ज़रा उसे महसूस कर लें। तो अपने आप को पकड़े जकड़े ना रखें, बिल्कुल रिलैक्स, शिथिल छोड़ दें शरीर को। तो जितना शरीर शिथिल होगा उतनी ही अवेयरनेस कोशाग्र होगी आपकी, उतनी ही रिफाइंड होगी आपकी अवेयरनेस। अब मेरे साथ प्रार्थना को दोहराएं। ॐ संगच्छध्वं संवदध्वं संगच्छध्वं संवदध्वं संवो मनांसि जानताम् संवो मनांसि जानताम् देवाभागं यथा पूर्वे देवाभागं यथा पूर्वे संजानाना उपासते संजानाना उपासते। So the meaning of this prayer is, may we move in harmony, may we speak in unison, and let our mind be equanimous like in the beginning. जैसे शुरू में हम इनोसेंट थे वैसे हो जाएं, एक बच्चे की तरह, guileless innocence. Let the divinity manifest from our sacred endeavors. हर प्रयास में देवी तत्व दिखे, नजर आए। तो धीमे से आंखें खोल लें। तो चालन क्रिया से हम अभ्यास को प्रारंभ करेंगे। सबसे पहले ग्रीवा के, गर्दन के अभ्यास होंगे। तो पूरा फीलिंग एंड अवेयरनेस के साथ अभ्यासों को करें और खो जाएं, पूरा एब्जॉर्ब हो जाएं और पूरा आनंदित हो जाएं। तो श्वास को भरते हुए हेड को बैकवर्ड बेंड करेंगे, जेंटली बैकवर्ड लीड, और जॉज को मिला लें ताकि नाइस स्ट्रेच आप महसूस करें अलोंग योर नेक। रीढ़ सीधी रखें, Am I audible now? Now? Am I audible now? Okay. Thank you. So side bend. Exhale and bend towards your right. And keep your chin tucked in gently. And if you can breathe in Ujjayi. How to breathe in Ujjayi? This is your gluteus. Gently contract your gluteus. And make a hissing sound. जैसे छोटा बेबी सोता हुआ स्नोर करता है वैसी स्नोरिंग साउंड. Again inhale, keep your glottis gently contracted. Exhale toward the other side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Feel the stretch along the neck and feel the squeeze on the other side. Inhale, exhale. Do not extend your chin forward like this. Just keep the chin tucked in, neck elongated. Like this, and then inhale, exhale, breathe in Ujjayi. In Ujjayi, the belly will also be contracted. So this is a sign that you are breathing in Ujjayi. Your throat would be contracted, gently contracted. Simultaneously, your belly will be contracted. Inhale, relax. Now do the twisting. Exhale, twist towards your right. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale to the other side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Again, keep the chin tucked in. Do not extend your chin. Tucked in, neck elongated, well elongated. Inhale towards the center. Exhale to the other side. And squeeze your belly while exhaling. Keep your belly squeezed in. Inhale, back to the center, relax. Keep breathing. Now, rotation. 360-degree rotation. Exhale, lean gently forward, lean your head gently forward. And with the inhalation, rotate your head gently. Exhaling, forward lean. Inhaling, backward lean. Exhale, forward lean. Inhale, backward lean. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Reverse. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And inhale, relax. So develop a deep intimacy with your breath. It can tell you the whole inner story. So your breath is your constant companion. जब जन्मते हैं तो श्वास भरते हैं, पहला श्वास लेते हैं. जब जाते हैं दुनिया से तो आखिरी श्वास छोड़ते हैं. ज़िंदगी इन दो श्वासों के बीच में ही है. और जितना हम श्वास से जुड़े रहेंगे उतना ही भीतर से जुड़े रहेंगे. जितना भीतर से जुड़े रहेंगे उतना ही रूटेड रहेंगे, सेंटर्ड रहेंगे और खुश रहेंगे. तो अगला अभ्यास है स्कंद चालन. कंधों के लिए, इनकी मांसपेशियों के लिए, सराउंडिंग मसल्स के लिए, बोन्स के लिए, नर्व्स के लिए. तो इनहेल करते हुए palms facing downwards. Inhale करते ही upward stretch. Exhale gently, lower your arms. Squeeze your belly. Suck your belly in gently while exhaling. Again inhale. Breathe in Ujjayi. Raise your shoulders gently. Shrug your shoulders. Again exhale. We're really sorry for the inconvenience because of connection problem. So again we will continue. Inhale. Shoulders raised up, shrugged gently, and again the chin tucked in. And then exhale. Again inhale. Feel the nice stretch along your shoulders, along the whole trunk. And exhale, release, relax. अगला अभ्यास करेंगे स्कंद चक्र. स्कंद means shoulders. So hands on your shoulders gently. Inhale. Rotate your shoulders gently. Inhale upward rotation and exhale downward rotation. Inhale. Open your shoulders gently. Open your chest with the inhalation. Exhale, squeeze your chest on forward rotation. Again, inhale. Open your chest, open your shoulders. Exhale. Inhale. Here, retract your shoulders. Try to join your shoulder blades. Open the chest area. Gently open your heart, the heart center. And then exhale the protraction of your shoulder blades. दूर हो जाएंगे shoulder blades. And now reverse. Inhale. Again, retract your shoulder blades. Open your chest area. Exhale. Squeeze your chest gently. Again, inhale. Feel the movements. Feel your breath. Be focused. Enjoy the practice. Be relaxed. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Relax. Now do Kati Chakrasana. Now gently stand. Feet shoulder width apart. Inhale, raise your arms. Keep your hands shoulder width apart. And exhale, twist towards your right. Twist your neck as well. Keep the heels well grounded. And pelvis, keep your pelvis centered. Feel the twist along your spine. Inhale, center your trunk. Exhale to the other side. Squeeze your hips gently. Inhale, center yourself. Exhale to the other side. Inhale. Exhale, suck your belly in while exhaling. Squeeze your hips. Twist your whole trunk gently. Twist your neck. Retain your breath comfortably. And exhale to the center. And gently with the exhalation, relax. So with the exhalation, twist. And when you inhale, return to the center, and with the exhalation, just lower your arms gently. Now the next practice, it is called Utkatasana. Very good for your lower limbs. So the lower limbs are the pillars of your temple. The body is called a temple. These are the pillars, they must be strong. To strengthen these pillars, we will do Utkatasana. So inhale, raise your arms. And exhale, gently squat down. By hinging from the hips and knees, gently. By keeping the spine erect as possible. By sticking your hips backwards, gently. And sink down as far as comfortable. Again, inhale. Exhale. Keep your heels grounded. Feel your feet well grounded. Exhale. Squeeze your hips here. Inhale, relax your hips. Exhale. Inhale here. And again exhale. Retain your breath out. For a comfortable period of time. And inhale. Gently return. Exhale. Lower your arms. So these were Sukshma Vyayams, gentle loosening practices. So now we will begin asanas practice. So feet a little apart. We will do Tadasana. And keep your posture erect. The ankles, pelvis, your shoulders, your ears, they must be in one line. And avoid this posterior tilt. This is posterior tilt. That can exaggerate the curvature of your lumbar spine. So gently squeeze your hips. Squeeze your hips. Suck your belly in to straighten your back. So now, with the inhalation, gentle inhalation, raise your arms, interlace your fingers, turn your palms upward, and gently raise your heels, shrug your shoulders, raise your shoulders, even weight on your feet, on your toes. Keep your gaze fixed on one point. Retain your breath. 1 Om, 2 Om, 3 Om, and with the exhalation, gently lower your body, lower your arms as well. Keep breathing here. Again, inhale, gently raise your arms, interlace your fingers, turn your palms upward, stretch up gently, the even stretch. Stretch your body evenly. Squeeze your hips, straighten your knees. Stretch the whole body. Feel the stretch throughout your whole body. Suck your belly in, squeeze your hips. Retain your breath. 1 Om, 2 Om, 3 Om. And with the exhalation, gently lower yourself. Again, inhale. Stretch. Feel the stretch, gaze fixed on one point in front of you to avoid the oscillations, to avoid the wandering mind, to still the wandering mind. Suck your belly in, squeeze your hips, gently squeeze the whole body. Retain your breath comfortably. 1 Om, 2 Om, 3 Om, and with the exhalation, gently lower your body. So excellent pose for loosening and strengthening the overall muscle of your body, So next practice is Vrikshasana. So gently stand on one leg and with the exhalation flex the other's knee. Place the sole of the foot on the inside of the other's thigh and gently press your foot into your thigh, and with the inhalation raise your arms, join your palms, again gaze fixed in front of you, and for 5 breaths just stay in this pose. Gently inhale and exhale, count 1 Om. Inhale, Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and gently with the exhalation, lower your arms and legs. Keep your focus on your breathing, and again repeat on the other side. Exhale, press the heel firmly on the inside of your thigh, and with the inhalation, raise your arms, join your palms gently, stretch up gently. With the inhalation, suck your belly in, keep the foundation strong. Keep the legs strong on which you are standing, and keep breathing. Stay for the 5 breaths. Inhale, exhale, 1. Inhale, exhale, 2. 3. 4. 5. Now gently with the exhalation, lower your arms and legs. And feel the after effects of this pose. Asana is still continuous. So keep feeling how the body responds to these asanas, to these postures. Just feel. Be in a deep intimacy with your body, because your body is more intelligent than your mind. It is more evolved. It is more ancient. Your body is more ancient than your mind. Now gently lie down. Come to Shavasana. Keep your chest raised. Retract your shoulders gently. Body in a straight line. Palms facing the floor, chin gently tucked in, elongate your neck. Join your feet and do Uttan Padasana. Inhale, gently raise your right leg to the 90 degree. Keep your right leg straight. Lock your knee gently and keep the lower leg straight as well as and pressed under. Gently press your shoulder blades. Squeeze your upper back. Retain your breath inside, and with the exhalation, gently lower your leg. Repeat with the other leg. Inhale. Retain your breath for the 3 count. 1, 2, 3, and with the exhalation, gently lower your leg. Repeat with the other leg. Inhale. Keep your heel pointed towards the ceiling and keep your foot flexed, gently flexed. 1, 2, 3. Gently with the exhalation, lower your leg. Repeat with the other leg. Inhale. Suck your belly in. 1, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, and gently lower your leg. So keep your body active and alert during the postures. The whole body active. And now do Pavan Muktasana. Fold your right leg, hold it. Inhale, inflate your belly. And then with the exhalation, squeeze your belly. Squeeze your leg gently. Raise your head without straining your leg. And keep your chin tucked in again. Keep your toes flexed. Hold your breath out. And with the inhalation, straighten your knee. Come in Shavasana. Again, inhale. Flex your knee. Exhale, squeeze your belly, suck your belly in. And inhale, straighten your leg. Hold your leg, inhale here. Exhale, squeeze. Expel all the air. Retain your breath comfortably. And inhale. Come in Shavasana. Keep breathing. Again inhale. Hold your leg. And with the exhalation, gently pull your knee towards you. Suck your belly in. And with the inhalation, come in Shavasana. Keep breathing. Now gently fold both the knees, feet grounded. We will practice Kandharasana, palms facing the floor, and gently with the inhalation, raise your pelvis, squeeze your shoulder blades, activate your upper back by squeezing your shoulder blades. Press the floor with your palms, elongate your spine, elongate your whole body, knees pointed forward, chin tucked in. Retain here, 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, gently lower your body, keep breathing here. Repeat again, inhale, heels well grounded, 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, gently lower your body with exhalation and keep breathing. Repeat the pose once again. Inhale. Press your heels, press your feet into the floor. Use the gravity. Press your palms. Squeeze your upper back. Suck your belly in, squeeze your hips gently. 1 Om, 2 Om, 3 Om, and with the exhalation, come in Shavasana, relax. Now surrender your body totally to the floor. And feel the deep relaxation. The deeper the surrender, the deeper the relaxation. Now gently come in a prone position. So we will do Bhujangasana. Palms beside your chest and elbows tucked in. Keep your elbows tucked in. Forehead grounded, and join your feet, outstretch your toes, and before raising your torso, try to squeeze your shoulder blades, gently stretch your shoulders down your back. Squeeze your shoulders and stretch your shoulders down your back to open your chest region. And now with the inhalation, by tucking your elbows in, gently raise your torso and look up. Keep your legs well elongated. And with the exhalation, lower your torso. Keep breathing here. Again, squeeze your shoulder blades. Stretch your shoulders down your back. With the inhalation, raise your torso gently. And with the exhalation, lower your torso. Keep breathing. Again, repeat once again. Squeeze your shoulder blades, stretch your shoulders down your back, inhale. Do not flare your elbows like this. Keep your elbows tucked in. And do not push yourself unnecessarily. Respect your strength and flexibility. Retain your breath comfortably for 3 count. You can mentally count 1 Om, 2 Om, and 3 Om. With the exhalation, relax, come in Makarasana. Feet apart and drop your heels outside. Forehead placed on your palms. And do belly breathing. When you inhale, press the floor with your belly. Let the belly inflate. Let the belly push the floor on inhalation. It will activate your center. Everything exists with a center. The problem arises when we are deviated from our center. So when you breathe from your belly, you are at your core, at your center. And when you exhale, squeeze your belly. Gently squeeze your belly. Feel the squeeze. Feel the pull. Now next pose, the Shalabhasana, the locust pose. Place your palms under your thighs. Keep the arms straight, palms facing the floor, chin grounded. Feet together. And with the inhalation, gently raise your left leg. Keep it straight, the toes pointed. Inhale and retain. Count mentally 1 Om, 2 Om, 3 Om. Gently exhale, lower your leg. Keep breathing here. Repeat with the other leg. Inhale. Retain. 1 Om, 2 Om, 3 Om. Gently lower your leg. Keep breathing. Inhale. Repeat with the other leg. Keep your legs straight. Keep your hips squeezed. The left hip squeezed. 1 Om, 2 Om, 3 Om. Exhale. Keep breathing. Again, inhale, raise the other leg. Try to breathe in Ujjayi. The tranquilizing breath, the Ujjayi is called a tranquilizing breath. So it will lead you to tranquility, to peace. It will minimize the mental oscillations. The Ujjayi breath, it will keep you focused and you will enjoy the practice a lot. So come in Makarasana. And activate the mode of rest and digest. When you're breathing from your belly, you activate your center, as I have already said. You are breathing from your center, and the mode is rest and digest. But when you're stressed, you are just breathing from your chest, the shallow breathing, and that is called the emergency mode of breathing. You're always on the emergency mode of breathing. The stress is so frequent, so the breathing, the shallow breathing becomes very natural. So breathe very consciously, and it will lead you to a meditative state, a calm and poised state. And now gently sit in Shashtasana. It is also called a child pose. So gently stretch your back. You can keep your knees apart as well. Stretch your back. Forehead grounded, and breathe from your belly here. And now gently sit in any meditative pose in which you feel comfortable. And allow your body to become steady as possible. Steady like a statue, steady like a rock. हिलजुल बिल्कुल बंद. And you can imagine that your spine is emerging from the earth, from the floor. And just become one with the floor. Feel the contact between the body and the floor. Feel the steadiness of the floor. And let this steadiness spread into your entire being. First, feel the steadiness. Feel how steady is the floor, and absorb that steadiness then. Let the steadiness spread to your entire being. This steadiness is very soothing. It will lead you to utter silence. So this much practice is sufficient for the beginners. We will keep on adding some practices in our consistent practice, but these practices are sufficient for the beginners. So keep practicing, and now we will culminate this session with a prayer. So hands in a prayer pose. And repeat with me. Take a deep breath. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. Sarve Santu Niramaya. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma kaśyid dukh bhag bhave. Ma kaśyid dukh शांतिः। अर्थात कि सबका मंगल हो, सब निरोग रहे, हर आनंद को उपलब्ध हो। तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, मैं शब्दों में बयान नहीं कर सकता हम सबसे जुड़ने के लिए। So thanks a lot for joining us, and I will see you again tomorrow in the evening at 6 o'clock. Thanks and happy practicing. Thank you very much. God bless you all.